Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and a managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing yet again tax stamp pimps, those illegal interlopers here in Thailand who are coming over here in violation of the restricted occupations and attempting to subvert Thailand's sovereignty in an effort to change tax policy here in the kingdom. I've discussed this at length over the course of the past few months. I am incensed, if you can't tell. But one thing recently, we made some videos regarding defining agency. And if there was one telltale sign of the scam that was COVID, it was the constant refrain of having to explain self-evident things. Now, I understand most lay people, they didn't do, years in law school. They didn't pore over books, straining their eyes, causing them to become insanely nearsighted to understand the fundamental implications of the word agent. I get that, okay? But I gotta tell you, I'm a little frustrated right now because everybody running around, well, they're special and there's this, just putting out a bunch of smoke. That's all it is, it's smoke, okay? The thumbnail, you see Ari Gold from the show Entourage, okay? Love him, hate him, is what he is. Nobody has any misconceptions about what Ari Gold is. He's an agent. He's the agent of Vince in the show. He's the actor in the show Entourage. There's no question about this. Now, I get it. The IRS has run around and thrown out a bunch of smoke screens about, we make them take exams and they're licensed, and constantly kind of leaving it unsaid, just sort of leaving it out there that these people are an agent, because I don't know if they know or not, but the result is there are members of the public that think that person is an agent for them, the way Ari Gold is an agent for Vince in the show Entourage. But in point of fact, as we've noted in other videos, these people are licensed by the IRS. They're created by the IRS. That makes them their agent. Now, they have certain terms and conditions of their services that I believe they effectively sign over a conflict of interest waiver and certain documentation relating to what they will and will not put themselves out there for, so as not, it's my understanding, probably so as not to put their principal on the hook as an enrolled agent. Again, these are agents, okay? And I don't care what their own internal definitions are. Oh, they're not an agent like a special agent of the IRS. They're still an agent, okay? And I'm tired of all this obfuscation. I'm tired of this COVID tactic of doing all of this. Well, don't you understand that this is a... No, it's clear as crystal. If you've ever taken business associations in a legal context, agency means what it means, okay? I'm tired of this nonsense that there's somehow magical agents that don't adhere to the same notions of agency under American law. And before people start saying, well, this is Thailand, these people claim to be agents of the IRS. U.S. law applies to their appellation, if you will, to their label, because the IRS itself says they're an agent, okay? Again, I get upset about this because I'm tired of the nonsense chicanery. I saw it once with COVID. It's the same deal here. You attempted an op under the Biden administration, which nobody even knows if any of his orders were even legitimate at this point, because it looks like he was basically asleep on the job the entire presidency and everything was signed by the auto pen. I'm going to be real curious to see how that plays out. Meanwhile, we talked about this. Yellen said she wanted to add 90,000 new agents. They were talking about a global minimum tax, OECD. There was a clear program to create a supranational body to suck in jurisdictions like Thailand and the United States, to subvert our sovereignty and to place our tax institutions under their paradigm, if not their overt control. Okay? This is not messing around. You have messed with Thailand. I am sick of your tricks and chicanery. Agents are what they are. Deal with it.